हेलो दोस्तों, स्वागत है आपका फिर से मेरे इस यूट्यूब चैनल में। आज हम क्वेश्चन नंबर 19 डिस्कस करेंगे, जो कि था द फॉलोइंग ग्रामर इज एस इम्प्लाइज दैट ए अल्फा बी, बी अल्फा सी, ए बी। एस इम्प्लाइज दैट ए एस बी, एस इम्प्लाइज दैट अल्फा डबल बी, ए बी। बी अल्फा इम्प्लाइज बी डी बी, बी। ऑप्शंस: कॉन्टेस्ट फ्री, regular, contest sensitive, LRK. First, analyze the given grammar to determine its types among contest free, regular, contest sensitive, and LRK. The grammar is S A alpha B, B alpha C, A B, S A S B, S alpha double B, A B, B alpha B double B D B, B. First option, context free grammar CFG, consists of projection rules where each rule has a single non-terminal on the left hand side and a sequence of terminal and or non-terminal on the right hand side. The grammar provided fit the structure of context free grammar. Each projection rules has a single non-terminal on the left side S B alpha and a sequence of terminal and or terminal on the right side. The rules are not restricted based on context surrounding symbols. Option 2, regular grammar. A regular grammar is a type of context free grammar where all projection rules are of the form A alpha B, A alpha, where A and B are non-terminal. Alpha is a terminal or a terminal followed by non-terminal. The given grammar does not strictly adhere to a format regular grammar, particularly because of the presence of production like S belongs A alpha B and B belongs B alpha implies BDB, which involve multiple non-terminal and terminal in their right hand side. Therefore, it is not a regular grammar. Third option, context sensitive grammar. Context sensitive grammar are a more general form of grammar where the left hand side of the projection can be replaced by the right hand side in a context dependent manner. The given grammar might seem to have certain projection that involve context sensitive replacement. Example: B alpha BDB. Therefore, however, without clear context sensitive involving the immediate endowment or restriction on projection beyond simple context free rule, it does not strictly qualify as a context sensitive grammar. Option 4 is correct. LRK grammar are a class of context free grammar that can passed efficiently by LRK partial determining if the given grammar is LRK require further analysis, particularly regarding the form of production and potential conflict in partition using LRK partial. The presence of left recursion as implies AS and certain production rules might impact that LRK parsing compatibility of the grammar. Based on structure and typically characteristics of grammar, the most appropriate classification for grammar is context free grammar. This classification aligns with the general form and structure that provide production rules. Further analysis would be required to definitely determine its hierarchy status or its potential as a context sensitive grammar. Thank you.